Welcome to the Flatearth adventures of Dicky Bird. Dicky Bird in. Oops, NASA did it again. Uncle Dicky. Yes?
Can you tell me a story about the bullshit that is NASA?
The year was 1969, and they convinced the whole world that they had landed on the moon. One giant leap for us, and no one gets any steps. Bam! Mars, and I'm peeping. I want to second that. I mean, we're gonna bring the flag. Oh snap! America! We did it first. Should I plant the flag over there by that prop? I mean, rock. The rock. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Rock. Woo! America! We did that shit again! Yep, and that's how that story went.